The rapid adoption of remote workforce readiness creates both challenges and opportunities for revenue leaders to develop winning sales and customer-facing teams. To win in this environment, organizations must accelerate how they prepare their teams to be on message and on task the first time and every time. MindTickle is the industry-leading sales readiness platform designed to engage and transform your team's top performance potential. MindTickle gives reps the ability to practice and hone their skills wherever they are, and gives managers data and insights to review, score, and coach reps on how to improve their close rates and satisfy customer demands. MindTickle delivers just-in-time field updates such as new messaging, product information, competitive insights, and more. To combat knowledge and skill decay over time, MindTickle's spaced reinforcements build proficiency with automatic microlearning, personalized and gamified challenges, and scenario-based questions. Leveraging the power of AI, MindTickle's conversation intelligence technology unlocks hidden insights from customer conversations and closes the loop on enablement and coaching. Only MindTickle can effectively measure the revenue-producing power of your organization. Our Sales Capability Index lets managers identify, remediate, and reinforce the specific capabilities that impact sales results and drive more predictable revenue. With dozens of Fortune 500 and Global 2000 customers, we are the proven leader ready to meet your initiatives today and in the future. Are you ready to transform your bottom line? Ready to enable your whole team to close like the pros? Contact us today because we're ready to help you develop teams that win.